Military and police operatives have arrested a bomb expert and former member of the MILF Special Operations Group in North Cotabato. AFP Public Affairs Office Chief Colonel Noel De Toyaro identified the suspect as Abdul Manap Mentang, alias Manny, Manap, or Almok. He was arrested in Barangay Panatan, Pigkawayan, Cotabato by virtue of standing warrants of arrest issued separately by Davao City and Cotabato City Regional Trial Courts for multiple murder and multiple frustrated murders. Mentang is responsible for the Sasa Wharf and Ecoland Terminal bombings in Davao City in 2003 that killed 23 civilians and injured 127 others. He is now under the custody of the Philippine National Police in Davao City.
Si Abdul Manap Mentang alias Manny Manap Almulok sa Barangay Panatan sa Pigkawayan, Cotabato siya na aresto at napakalaki kasi ng kanyang mga naging role noon sa napakalaking bombing incident sa Sasa Wharf and Ecoland Terminal bombing Davao City in 2003.